Today I'm going to do a quick real-time video about a chicken maintenance process called debeaking. But really it's about clipping off a few millimeters off the end of their beaks to prevent chicken violence or fix beak problems. So for this I'm going to be using a pair of plain old dog nail clippers, which are new and sharp and just like a guillotine. So it will be fast and painless, and these kinds are pretty calibrated to clip just the right amount of beak for my kinds of chickens. You can see here, this kind is symmetrical and can cut the same way on either side. I'll also be doing a slight bit of trimming afterwards with an old sharp human toenail clipper too. For ornery chickens like these, the best thing to do is to grab them by the wings like this so they're more manageable, and you could just hold the chicken in one hand and the clipper in the other. This is our main guy today. He's a rooster I've had for a number of years, and he's the biggest and most violent one. I'm doing all this in real time with no speed up or time lapse so you can see how we actually do it here. So I've taken this guy outside to do the debeaking, and you can see he fidgets around a bit, but with these kind of clippers it really only just takes a few seconds, and the whole process maybe takes a minute. I also sometimes go back and do a little bit of trimming with the same large dog clippers, and in this case, because he's sort of a big guy with a big beak, I'm just going to go back and clean it up a little bit around the edges with a human toenail clipper. You can see the whole process is not too bad, and he's not too upset. Here's a before and after picture, and you can see I really didn't take off too much, but it's enough to prevent them from breaking eggs or causing too much bleeding when they bite each other or they bite me. And this is another rooster. The view of the actual debeaking is a bit bad, but you can see just how long the whole process takes and how painless it is. And this is a hen who has been eating her own eggs. She gets a little bit upset, but overall it's not a bad experience for them, and they don't seem to be hurt too much by it at all. And since these beaks grow just like fingernails, we're going to have to do it all over again later on. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe.